5450 West Conestoga Street in Beverly Hills, Florida. Nice metal roof, country style front porch with pavers, double door entry. Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it. So this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, almost 2,500 square feet of living area, and it does have an office, beautiful formal dining room here, and 2,826 square feet living area, 3-car side entry garage. Here's the office. You notice the plantation shutters. This house has the air conditioning that is energy efficient with the mechanical air vents. So there are switches in many of the rooms that allow you to adjust how far the vent is open in each area, so that if you want less air circulating, you can control that. And so that is a very nice feature to have. 2 walk-in closets, a beautiful master bathroom with a garden tub, a huge walk-in shower, 2 sinks, linen closet and water closet. The water closet does have the bidet.